Ha! You thought you got away. This is a secondary video, follow-up to where I did my valve clearances. I don't know if you recall when Rob and I were doing the helicoiling that he said to me that his helicoil kit was rubbish and he wished he'd bought a better one. Well, there you go. Now, I will say I did struggle to find a decent helicoil kit. Well, I struggled to find them called a helicoil kit, to be honest. They don't want to call them thread repair kits these days, but they're helicoils, because that's what they are. They're helicoils, helix coils that go in a thread to repair it, but they don't actually repair the thread. They modify it, and you put the helicoil in to bring it back to the thread it was. So it's not a thread repair; it's a helicoil kit. And I ended up with a Horridsi. Now, they are Chinese, like everything is Horridsi. Chinese, everything's Chinese, so you might as well just go with Chinese. And there you go. Let me just help you see what I've got here. So that's the kit. You can see they're fairly good quality helicoils in there. They're not bad. This is metric. This is imperial. I went for both, so I can now do repairs on either. I can't. I'm really looking forward to using this. Not that I want to have any threads that I need to repair. I'm just looking forward to using it if I need to. So that's the follow-up for that. This is a better kit. It doesn't have. See, this here has a fairly largish slot. I don't know if you can see it. That was the problem with Rob's kit. That isn't as big as the one that Rob had. Sorry, I'm just trying to push this back in. It isn't as big as the one Rob had, whereas if I go for the bigger ones, it's even shorter. So the problem he had was when he pushed his, because we couldn't drill the hole all the way through, we had to drill the hole as far as we could, but we couldn't get in because of the shape of the rocker cover, etc. So we ended up with a hole that was sort of 3/4 of the way down and then narrowed at the end. And when he pushed it screwed his helicoil in, it screwed into the narrow bit at the end and closed the gap so we couldn't pull it out. I don't know if you can recall that. We got it out eventually, but I don't want that to happen to me, so I bought the one with the shorter thread, the shorter slot on it. So hopefully it'll work better. So hopefully we never need it, but if we do, we'll do a review on it. And thank you very much, and I'll see you out there.